Search Download Windows 11 on Google or go to Microsoft official website by using the link given below. Search for Download Windows 11 ISO image. Make sure that your computer meets system requirements. Choose the language for installation setup and click Confirm. After 1 minute, you will get option to download Windows 11 setup. Click Download. After setup is downloaded, insert USB drive and format it. Once format is complete, download Rufus from their official website. Choose the installation setup supported by your current OS. Hit download and open Rufus once it is downloaded. Now make sure that USB drive that you want to make bootable is selected under Device tab. Hit Select in Boot Selection tab to locate Windows 11 disk image that you have already downloaded. Once Windows image is loaded, it will show extra options. Head over to Partition Scheme tab. Here you will see two options, MBR and GPT. Make sure to select right option, otherwise Bootable USB will not work. To check whether your drive is GPT or MBR, head over to Disk Management by typing in Windows search bar. In Disk Management, you will see all the storage drives installed in your computer. Scroll down to USB drive and right-click to open Properties of USB drive. A window will open showing details of USB drive. Head over to Volume tab and you will see USB partition style. In my case, it is Master Boot Record or MBR. Now I will close Disk Management and will select MBR and Rufus. If my USB was GPT, I would select GPT and Rufus. Look at all the settings one last time to make right options are selected and hit Ready. Click off when dialog box appears and it will start converting USB to bootable drive. It will take 2 to 3 minutes depending on the read and write speed of your drive. Wait for it to complete. Once it has reached 100%, you can see that Windows files and Boot Manager is copied to the USB drive. Now your USB is ready to be used as a bootable drive for any Windows 11 supported PC. If you face any issue, feel free to comment it down and I will help you out. If this method works for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.